Hey everybody, today I'm showing two of my cool kitchen tools for this time of the year. Still, we're in the summer, but it's getting cooler. But when it's very hot, you can use something like this to make nut milk. Use something like this, the Vibofrost Slushie Maker, to turn this nut milk into a slushy. So this I've covered in the past. It has these different plant-based programs. You can make all these different ones. You can change volume, capacity. It has a delay start setting. This also has that, so you can time this to have your nut milk ready at a certain time, and then you can have this prepare your slushy, for example, when around noontime. So you put your nuts in here, no soaking is required. You wait a few minutes and it's set. Now I'm going to use cashews here and use the program here. You can nut milk quickly and then put it in here and turn it into a slushy. Now you need 5% sugar with this, so that's something. You can also use aloes, as I've covered on the channel. You can go check it out. So let's see. This is removable. You add your water. If you don't have water, you get an error message, asks you to add water, and you need it for cleaning as well. Just add your cashews there. You can use other nuts as well, doesn't matter. Close this, use that program. The display here lets you choose different programs for your slushy, fraps, cocktail, and you also have the temperature. But this model, which other models didn't have, it's going to heat up a little bit. No soaking is required. It takes care of everything. The rest will come out in 2 minutes, and then it goes to the self-cleaning cycle. So it's very hands-free in that regard. Now that's gonna go and clean itself. I can then transfer this to this Vibofrost Slushie Maker. All the dirty water will be here. This is gonna last 7 minutes. Just gonna add sugar. Remember, you need 5%. So you just add it there, choose the program. Make sure you're above the minimum level, which this is. Now, you see the temperature here. You're not supposed to have hot drinks in this, so if you are making your nut milk, make sure that's not above 70. If you want a cold nut milk maker, you want to go with Joyoung Y1 or things like that. This one doesn't have a cold program, or you can just leave it in the fridge and then use it later. I'm gonna go with the milkshake program, this level. Just get it started. So it's already 70 degrees. Now you're supposed to be even lower than this when you add your ingredients. You're not supposed to add hot ingredients or ice cubes or anything like that. It's just an experiment. I didn't want to wait for the nut milk to cool down. Because this was warm, it's taken a bit of time, but you see the ice is forming. To be ready, then you're gonna see a cool message here, and then that means that it's ready. You see this message that says cool, and then you're ready to have it. So this is nut milk that I made in my Chefwave, and it was the 4th level of thickness. There we go. I actually love these. They're delicious, and you can make them at home with your own ingredients. I probably could have gone with 5, but level 4 is fine as well. Just make sure you have enough sugar or enough aloes, and the rest is easy. Now remember, I started with a very hot nut milk. You're not supposed to do that. That's not recommended because it takes just longer. This was the Vibofrost Slushie Maker with the Chefwave Milkmade. I'm going to include a link to each of these in the description, also in the comment section, so check them out. If you have any ideas what you want me to make with this, don't forget to mention it in the comments. For more information, please go to gadgetify.com, youtube.com/gadgetify. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. It will help the channel a lot. Thanks for watching.